Hey guys, Marlon with Cypress Computers here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the unboxing video for the NZXT H500i mid-tower. Alright guys, so here we have the case H500i series. Alright guys, so this is the back of the case. Here you're going to have your Rgb light controls that will take care of all the system. You're going to have the Rgb light strip going on around. Then you're going to have your kit with all your screws and all the stuff. You got your USB 3.0 cables, you got your audio front panel. Then we have your solid state drive caddy. You have another one over here which you can use multiples. Nowadays we have the NVMe solid state drives which are built onto the motherboard, and they're actually faster than a regular solid state drive. So now you have this vertical mount GPU over here. I think it looks really neat. You also have a top fan here that will get all that heat out. You got your nice dual fans as well in the front case of the panel. And this case is a mid-tower. It's a pretty nice looking case. We're gonna go ahead and build up a system just now, and then we'll show you how it looks like.